Hello everybody. How you guys doing? My name is Lee. Thank you very much for tuning into What's Popping, where everything that pops, Lee is gonna bring it to your table. So today, What's Popping is the weekend, and this creepy look that he has debuted, where his face looks completely. Yo, it's disturbing. First of all, to look at his cheeks are bloated. His lips are like thicker and they're filled, and they look like he just got his face done. So first of all, he did not get plastic surgery, people. Let me put that out there. This is for a look. This is as a result of everything that has been going on with him and his album, as well as everything that has been happening in the music industry with himself. It is all part of a continuous running theme for his latest album, After Hours, which has a psychedelic vibe and takes inspiration from films such as Casino and the movie Joker. During the MTV Music Video Awards back in March 2020, he had this look where his face was bruised and it looked like he had been beaten up. That was the beginning of this whole theme that his album is following. After that, in during the American Music Awards, he had a similar look, except this time his face was completely covered in bandages. And in this case, when we see this botched look, it just shows that this is what he had been covering up, and this is what he's now showing us that his face looks like now. And so it does not come as a surprise to me. However, it may come as a surprise to you because you didn't expect for him, first of all, to look like, I don't know what the hell that is. But if you haven't watched the music video Save Your Tears, please go and watch it and tell me what you think about it. Tell me if there's anything specific that you noticed that you found interesting. Just leave it down in my comments. But let me just give you what I think I saw, or what I think I understood by what he's showing. For those of you guys who don't know what happened, The Weeknd was snubbed at the Grammys. He received no nomination despite having the greatest year. He was topping. He was on the charts for a long time, and he had like a really big year, and his album did pretty well. So despite him having all of that, despite him having an incredible year, he still did not get nominated for a Grammy. And the reason is because apparently what happened is that in the previous Grammys, he was supposed to perform at the Grammys, but he chose to perform at the Super Bowl, and both events were happening at the same time. Because he chose to perform at the Super Bowl instead of the Grammys, the people at the top, the people who are at the top in the industry, they decided to punish him by not giving him by giving him no nomination, and that is his punishment for not listening to them, the people in the Grammys. He was supposed to perform at the Grammys, but instead of performing at the Grammys, he chose to perform at a different event, which was the Super Bowl, and both events were happening at the same time. So because he disrespected the people at the top, or the people that gave him the platform to perform on the Grammys, because he did that, he was punished by the Grammys by not giving him his nomination, despite the fact that he deserved it. So that's his punishment for the fact that he did not perform at the Grammys. So what is happening now is that in his music video Save Your Tears, he is taking a jab at the Grammys, and you can see that there's in one point whereby he has this award, or this trophy. That trophy represents a Grammy, and the fact that he's throwing it away represents the fact that he doesn't care about it anymore, and he doesn't care about the Grammys at all at any point. The second thing is the fact that the people who are sitting down, he is performing, as you guys can see. If you haven't seen it, like I said, please go watch it. He is performing for people, and the people are unbothered. They're not reacting. Nothing is happening. That represents the fact that The Weeknd has been working very hard in the industry, and he's been making the industry a lot of money. And despite the fact that he did make them a lot of money, or he is continuing to make a lot of money for them, they don't appreciate him. They're just watching, and they're all fake. And the masks that they are wearing represents the fakeness that exists within the industry. And then we have obviously the botched look, or the prosthetic face that he has. That represents the societal expectations of people that are in the industry. You guys know that once people get in the industry, they start changing their faces, they start changing their looks, they start doing all these things to their faces because they want to fit in. So him doing that is him taking a jab at the people in the industry for the way they make artists change, the way they make artists change who they are, the way they make artists change their original sounds or how they originally look in order to fit in, or in order to be able to, you know, make more money for the industry and basically fit in this case. So that is my analysis of what's really happening with The Weeknd. It has nothing to do with plastic surgery or Michael Jackson or anything like that. However, we can say that he was inspired by Michael Jackson because Michael Jackson did do a lot of things in his face. So yes, guys, that is it from me. Thank you very much for tuning into What's Popping, where everything that pops, Lee's gonna bring it to your table. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below what you think. Do you like how he looks? I don't think you do, but if you do like how he looks, just tell me down in the comments, and I will really appreciate if you do comment down below, and I will also appreciate if you do subscribe. So that is it from me, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Bye.